Hey internet friends, let me show you a trick how to make reverb more emotional. Now the trick to this is to feed the reverb with a version pitched 1 octave down. So in pink, this is the original sound with no reverb at the original pitch, and below that in green is that original sound pitched down an octave with reverb at 100% wet. Let me show you this in more detail though. So above we have the original pitch, as you can see with no effects, so 100% dry. This is the original sound. And below that we have the original sound. Let's turn off the reverb. Below that we have the original sound pitched down an octave. And it's this pitched down version that's feeding the reverb. You can see here in Ableton I pitched it down using the complex warp mode. That's the time stretching algorithm, which happens to work in this case anyway. Complex, pitched down 12 semitones, so a full octave. This means harmonically the notes are consistent and so it sounds natural. Of course you can use any DAW to do this, it doesn't have to be Ableton. We feed this pitched down version into a reverb at 100% wet. Now I'm using a reverb called Tour Reverb, one of my favorites from D16, but importantly, let's bring this over here, but really importantly, we have the dry wet set to 100% wet. So we're hearing just the reverb from this channel. So we're only hearing the reverb from the pitch down version. I'll say it again. We're only hearing the reverb from the pitch down version. Pitched down an octave, so it's consistent harmonically, the notes. In other words, it's playing the same notes, just an octave down. It's the same melody, that's why it sounds natural. Let's hear this by itself. So we're hearing the octave down version now with this 100% reverb. So deep and emotional, full of emotions. Emotions. Let's do a final before and after. First of all, reverb without the pitch down effect. So this is reverb how you would typically do it, with the original pitch version feeding the reverb. And let's compare this to this pitched down effect. So now the pitched down version's feeding the reverb. Beautiful. I'm all emotional now. Feelings. A lovely trick. A trick to add to your bag of tricks. Production techniques, if you like. And for more tricks like this relating to delay and reverb, do see my course on Groove 3. I literally did a whole course just on delay and reverb showing tricks just like this. Lots of fun. Do check it out. Catch you on the flippity flip.